Greetings everybody, hello. It is I, Rholie, coming to you today with a soft glam tutorial, as promised. Even though I'm wearing a different t-shirt, because let's get rid of me and get one in but anyway, which led to me filming on a different day, which is today. First of all, some people may wonder, what on earth is soft glam? What is soft glam? But in all honesty, it's self-explanatory. Soft glam. Makeup or soft? Oh hella. Yes, oh hella. But oh well, like I don't know how to explain this. It's not harsh. It does not contain any harsh bits, harsh lines. It's not hectic, but it's still glam. But anyway, watch till the end. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment your highlights and anything else you'd like to see from me. Click that subscription button, which I don't understand why you haven't done already, and then that notification bell. Hit your girl up on Instagram, Rholie_W, and let's get started, okay?
And yes, I am back with these crusty looking lips and myself. Brothers, sisters, somebody, if you have a solution to the peeling that acne causes, may you please share with a sister, because I am beyond over it. I know I'm looking like an orange Oompa Loompa right now, but bear with me. I'm trying out a new foundation, the Black Opal True Colour Liquid Foundation. After it oxidizes or sets, it's going to be okay. And you guys know the drill. Blend, blend, blend. Blend it real good. Like, guys, please don't be worried about this orange situation, carrotness. It genuinely will be okay after it's set. I don't know if you guys noticed, but today's brow, I really didn't do much to it. I pretty much just added a tail and cleaned it underneath, and that was it. I didn't clean up top or fix it or touch the front of my eyebrow whatsoever. Nothing whatsoever. I wanted a not so done eyebrow for this look. I don't know why. Hence the right eyebrow, which is my left eyebrow, but your right hand is looking a bit raggedy in the front. I forgot to put on my LA Girl illuminator before putting on my foundation, hence those little dots that you see me blending in. See the glow it gives? Look at my nose, which I already did. Gives a bit of a nice glow, which I really, really like. So get you some, girls. I got mine from Diskim. Okay, so the camera decided to go night night, bye bye, sayonara, see you later. I am not with you. Like, better you died on me. I am so sorry, guys, that you didn't get to see me put on my concealer or whatever for my highlighting and contouring. But as per usual, I used the LA Girl concealers, which I love, love, love. And if you already watched my last makeup tutorial, you know what I go by. Let it sit before blending it in. It gives a better coverage and it blends a lot better. If you're a newbie, you heard that, and you probably should subscribe, so that you get to know all these things. Get that nose snatched. Snatched. And then that by my bridge right there, I decided to try for the first time. I don't know how I feel about it right now, but I think I'd have to try it a couple of more times with different looks just to see how I feel about it. And after I was done filming this, I only realized maybe I might have put a tiny bit too much product by my cheekbones there. But sis, blend it out. If you can't fix it, blend it out, blend it in, like do something. Blend, blend, blend. What's good though? Is everybody good? I hope y'all are good though. And now when you're done blending in your concealer, go in with some powder and set your under eyes. And people's dogs will not shut up. I tried to wait for them to stop barking, but sis. And now, set those smile lines as well. And everywhere you might get oily. And then as for my nose, I do it for that pop. It helps getting my nose snatched. I personally think it does that. I don't know if it does the same for you. Have you tried it? Comment below and let me know if you've tried this whole baking the bridge of your nose thing with me, because I love it. I can do without powder everywhere else, but not the bridge of my nose. No ma'am, no sir, no can't do. Now this right here, guys. This right here. That was the biggest mistake of this whole tutorial. I don't know what got into me because I do not reverse contour for anything. So like if you let me do this because I feel like it ruined the whole thing for me. You'll see what I'm talking about as the video goes on. But this is a huge regret. I honestly never again shall I set your eyelids. Now we can brush off that excess powder. Oh, the powder I was using is the eye powder. I mean, as you can see there, I'm pressing I don't know, I go over the places I've brushed off and just press over it again. I know I'm looking a little crazy, powdery and all sorts. But as time goes on, the powder will melt in eventually and everything will be okay. Don't panic, okay? And now I am adding some browns onto my eyelids using the usual culprit, of course, my Beauty Treats Professional 130 palette. It has a couple of browns on there and you can choose those browns according to your skin tone. I actually thought of leaving my eyelids sort of bare, kinda. Not completely, but still on the naked side. So that I give you guys a soft glam which is as basic as could possibly be. But I don't know. I don't know what got into me. Like, decided to put all these shades of brown. But I'm kind of happy with the outcome though. I hope you guys will be too. Curious? Watch till the end to see the finished product. You are gonna watch till the end, right? I'm not boring you. I hope I'm not. If I am, tell me what to do. Yes, you heard me right. Tell me what to do. You guys can't be complaining, hey, Botswana YouTubers are boring or Rholie is boring. But when I ask you what you want to see from me, like, no, come on, man. And now let's add a bit of color to our cheeks. Get them looking all rosy and all of that. And then on to setting our contour with a darker shade powder. Guys, honestly, why did I decide to reverse contour? It is not helping me in any way, and it is not going anywhere. And I was honestly freaking out, waiting for that powder to melt in and see what could be done. But that reverse contour is not my best friend. It is not my best friend at all. I do not like it. I do not want it. I hope I remember not to repeat that again. Ta-da! And now we're all lashed out. Look at that. I'm lining my lips with this lip liner by Essence. It's in the shade Hot Chocolate, I think. I got this from Clicks. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go over my lips with a clear gloss by Wet n Wild, which I also purchased from Clicks, if I'm not mistaken. When I'm done with all of that, I am going to set this pretty face with my absolute fave, my Maybelline Fixing Spray. If you'd like to take a look at any of the products I've used in this tutorial, they will be attached in the description box. So head over there and check it out. Give it a thumbs up if you like.
Let's remove this little baby. Look at this bitch. Look at this bitch. Who that? Who that? Who this? Girl, somebody better get me. But sis, why can't we go to the gate or something? Like, I didn't do anything here. Someone needs to see us. A bird, a car, a neighbor, something, an ant at this point. Like, sis. Sis, if you liked this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and you know you did. Give it a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you haven't, because sis, we can do it. Sis, we can do this, okay? Subscribe, click the notification bell, you know, hit your girl up over there on Instagram, and you're probably gonna see pics of this look. You know you want to. Go ahead and do that, and then see you next time.
With the bread, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the car, she don't stress, she don't trip, she fuck with all my bros.